Alright, hello class. So just a few things that I've been noticing and some reminders on etiquette in the hood, and then how you can fix a couple things if you come in here and, for example, the automated pipette is not working and so forth. Alright, so first thing I've noticed, I've been cleaning out several of the filters from these, so those little filter pieces out of the vacuum system. Remember, when you're using the vacuum system, the serological pipettes, the plastic ones, do not go here. The only thing that should be attached to our vacuum system is our glass pipettes. So these glass ones here are the only things that get attached to the vacuum system. And then incidentally, this glass pipette, when it's done, that is the only thing that gets put into the glass biohazard. Alright? Everything else, including plastic serological pipettes, are going to be put into this biohazard, this bin. Okay? Now, another thing that students have been saying, and this happens quite frequently, but sometimes this is not working. Usually that's because there's a clogged filter tip in here, and what the cause for that is when people are sucking up the liquid, sometimes liquid accidentally gets pulled all the way up and into that filter tip, and then that's going to clog and no longer work. So first of all, just be careful when you're sucking up media. You really don't want to go near the top anyway. You don't want to go too far. If you're having to suck up that much media, pick a larger one or suck it up twice. But it does happen. If it gets clogged, all you need to do is basically you unscrew this top part here. Be very careful with it. All right? You can unscrew that. This is the filter that gets clogged, so you can take it out, and I'll show you where the new ones are. I'm not going to replace this one right now because it's still good. But then you would get a new one, and you put the new one right in there, and then you just set this thing up. There are some rubber aspects in here. Just make sure they haven't fallen out, or if they have, put them back. But then you're just going to screw it back on, and wait to hear it snap, and then that should allow it to work again. All right? And the new filter tips, if you need them, are found right here. So remember, everything is only open in the hood. We're keeping this sterile, but if it's clogged, take the old one out, put a new one in, and you should be good to go. All right, thanks.